the bowl. Let's see if it works. Go.
Whoa! It actually works! Cool!
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Today we are playing with Magic Tracks RC. This is not your typical as seen on TV racetrack set. This one glows in the dark and it is remote control operated. Thank you so much Magic Tracks for sending us this set for our review. With over 10 feet of track, you'll be able to make jumps with the included cliff track, and since the track pieces are so flexible, you can add books or small boxes to make fun inclines. The remote control moves the car forward, moves it backwards, revs the engine, stops it on a dime, as well as plays music and lights. You can mute the car if you don't want to hear all of those sounds. In addition to books, you can also add tissue boxes, shoe boxes to make tunnels. You can make plastic cups and have the car drive through there. And this whole track set just comes to life. It is so much fun. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started and play with these Magic Tracks.
Yeah.
You're going to have to pair your vehicle before you start playing. So you turn the remote on by sliding the power switch to the on position. The light's going to start blinking. Then you're going to slide the switch on the car to on for a full light and sounds function, or you can mute the sound also. Whoa! That's crazy, right?
Yeah.
And you could also pair more than one vehicle. This set actually only comes with one vehicle, unfortunately, but we'll be able to control it with this neat controller. So thank you so much Magic Tracks RC for sending us this cool set to test around. Yeah. And if you light the... Whoa! Ah! If you put your tracks to light, they glow in the dark. Super cool. Let's get started and play.
Yeah.
Performance.
Oh no.
Listen to this. The car comes ruthless.
What if she made more yellow paint?
Okay, repeat. See if you can find some more yellow.
Oh, ooh, beautiful. No, yellow, Martini, yellow. Oh, got it.
What do you think of this set?
Cool. This is a track. This part, it could go 4 ways. That part.
Oh, watch this. Ready?
Whoa! I saw that.
And wait, what is this really, really, really cool?
Yeah.
Look, it's gonna keep going. You don't even have to press the button, so it's gonna jump that and watch. I'm gonna press stop and look what will happen. What will happen? Go backwards. Oh, almost. You can't go backwards on the ramp though. So, in order to use it, you press go. What do you think?
Whoa!
You want to hear something so cool too?
Yeah.
It glows in the dark.
Thank you so much, Magic Tracks RC. I love this. Oh yeah.
One press to turn the lights on, second press to keep the lights solid, third press to shut the lights off. If you want to turn the music on, you press MT. If you want to press the horn, hit the little horn icon. The green button is to go forward. Go! The blue button is to go in reverse. The red button is to stop. And this is to make the sound. The orange button is to make the sound of the car's engine when it's going.
Orange button means the car revs. Red means stop.
And look, you could decorate it with your own stickers. We put Marcello's favorite emoji on there. And we put some cool stickers on the side. We didn't really want to sticker it up too much because it's just so nice without it. Look at all these nice lights. Whoa! And it goes super fast. Oh! You know what too? We could ride without the track also. Put it right in the center.
Oh, wait, can I try doing it?
Yeah. See? On carpet, it rides beautifully. And you know what's so cool about these tracks? They're flexible. So you can put books on them and make them go really, really high. You want to try that?
Yeah.
Let's try the box that it came in. You ready?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, might be too high. Whoa! Oh!
Now I try.
Yeah! Here he comes! Woo!
Catch right there, catch.
Okay, go.
I love it. Good job, buddy. Can you make the horn go off?
I was just about to do that.
Or that orange one. Press the orange button. Whoa, goodbye, car!
Wait, that orange one gets it off the track?
No, the orange one makes it rev the engine. Whoa!
There go.
Whoa! I like it with the books.
I know, I'm gonna add 2 more.
Magic tracks. Did you know that they glow in the dark?
I know!
It's daylight right now, but you know what? I have a black light. Maybe it'll glow with the black light.
Oh yeah.
Let's try.
So perfect! You want that?
Oops. And go. Woo! So you can make like a bowl. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, go. Press. Oh, it might be too much now.
I have to follow the code until it's like really built up.
It is built up. Okay, here's the bowl. Let's see if it works. Go.
Whoa! It actually works!
Set an angle.
Cool!
So cool.
It's not even falling down.
That's awesome.
I know. Wait, I have a good idea.
What?
Okay, so I press stop. Okay. Press like this. Open it like this and put this here.
Thanks, Magic Tracks. This was so much fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tubi Toys. Have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ah.